Hey there, Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator enthusiasts. Today, I've got something really special to show you. Introducing the Oracle Lighting OCULUS Switchback Biled projector headlights for 2018-2024 Jeep Wrangler JL and 2020-2024 Gladiator JT. These custom headlights are designed to give your vehicle a unique, signature look with bright white LEDs that can easily switch back to a blinking amber light when needed. But it's not just about looks. These upgraded projector headlights also offer enhanced driver visibility with increased and focused LED light output. With 5,200 lumens, they provide more visibility compared to OEM halogen assemblies and better light focus than a simple bulb upgrade, which ultimately increases safety and avoids blinding other drivers. The best part? These headlights are easy to install with a plug-play system using original mounting hardware and headlight wiring. The white halo is activated via the factory parking lights and turn signal wires with the included adapter, making installation a breeze. In terms of durability, these headlights are built to last. They feature a hard-coated polycarbonate lens and rugged die-cast housings protected by a corrosion-resistant coating. Plus, they include a thermal management system for high performance and longevity in a variety of environments. So if you're looking for a custom and high-performance upgrade for your Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator, look no further. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Oracle Lighting OCULUS Switchback Biled projector headlights and take your ride to the next level. Don't miss out on a chance to turn heads and increase your visibility and safety on the road. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome Jeep content.